Hi guys, so welcome to this channel. On today's video is Meni. Our Meni here have just carved down right now, and I'm giving it molasses and warm water after it have carved to, so that, remember, molasses contains sugars which will be absorbed directly, yeah, as a form of energy. It has also a lot of energy when carving down. So this time nowadays I'm not so lucky. This is the first time that I've got a bull. Since I started farming, this is the first time I've got a bull. Yeah, remember, with conventional cements you can either get a bull or a heifer, but with sex cement the probability of getting a heifer is very, very high. So I told you guys, the first thing that you need once it has carved down, you must be there. You must have records, and you know exactly when it will be carving down, so that you'll be there. The point is, once you know when it is, you can assist it. Yeah. Although I've not assisted this one because it is that carving. For the first and second, they gave me heifers, and you have to be there so that you can manage. Yeah. Not just trusting someone who will do everything for you. You have to be there, guys. Yeah. And the udder is very, very huge. They have just carved down right now. The udder is very, very huge. The camera is not doing me good favor. Let me show you. They have just look at that udder. It's very, very huge. Yeah. And the body condition is still good. It's still okay. It has just carved down, and the body condition is still okay. So this is our bull here, and this bull, I'm going to name it Fred. This bull will be named after me because it's my first, and I'm not going to sell it. Actually, I'm not going to sell it. I'm going to keep it as a reminder that with conventional cements you can either get a bull or a heifer. Yeah. So those who are willing to, you just start. Right now I started with these two, the Shiro one and these Meni. I also have those two, the daughters of the second daughter of Meni and the first daughter of Shiro. Now we have these. Those are 5. Yeah. In span of 2 years. So guys, anything is doable, anything is possible. Just work on sorry for that, just work on yourself. Start small. Start with whatever amount you have. Years to come, I'll not be talking about 2. I'll be having a herd of cows. Yeah. And as from now on, I'll be using sex semen. Although this one is already inseminated, the Shiro is already inseminated. This one and its daughter, I'll be using sex semen, so that I want to enlarge my herd out to 50, because I believe in myself and I know I can. Yeah. I know I can. Yeah. So guys, just believe in yourself. So let me repeat those process steps that you should take when the calf has been born. 1, you have to be there. You have to be there whether you like it or not. Yeah. Now once it's born, just make sure give the mother molasses or sugars, so that it can regain its energy. You can also feed it on dry matter like bran. You can use it. You can use hay, boma road hay. Yeah, so that they can drink a lot of water, so that the afterbirth will be, it will urinate more, and afterbirth will be dropped the soonest time possible. Yeah. And then you have to weigh the calf, and you have to transfer it. So right now we have so many fries here. I have to transfer it to its pen where I've already made, and now I'm going to have general management of the mother. Yeah. So that is it. No big deal, guy. Just story by story, and you make it. Yeah. So now I'm going to be introducing. I'm be using a lot of what we call. I'll be feeding it well. Yeah. A lot of protein, energy. Yeah. Although the prices of dairy milk has already gone up, I'm going to improvise, and I will make mine. Yeah. So that I can. Reduce the cost. Yeah. So let the mother lick the calf, but do not let the calf start sucking the nipples of the mother. Remember, the nipples of the mother, they are not yet clean yet, and we don't want to introduce the bacteria to the calf. Yeah. You need to have good hygiene. So whatever you're seeing here is sawdust. That is not bad. Yeah. But where I'm going to be transferring it to the calf pen, I'm using wood shavings, which are better. They are comfortable. They do not have dust. They are better compared to sawdust. Sawdust is just for these big cows. Yeah, so the comfortable place. So guys, just watch on those small steps. Yeah. So on the first day, within the first 2 hours, you should have fed it a drip colostrum. Yeah. Even if you don't have bottles, use fingers so that it can suck your fingers, and it drinks a lot of adrib colostrum. Let it be as much as possible until so that we can boost its immunity. Yeah, remember, it has come to a new world here, and we have to make it to be uh, the best, to make it feel comfortable and adapt to the new environment. So within the first 2 hours, feed as much colostrum as possible. Now afterwards, you keep on feeding until so for this is I want to reduce as much cost as possible. I'll be feeding it 6 liters. I will introduce hay pellets, hay, some calf pellets, and all that. Yeah, and with time, I'll be good. Yeah, so let it try to stand on its own. Yeah, but do not let it rick the mother. Yeah, once you do that, you will be introducing bacteria, which is not good. Yeah, so make sure you feed it colostrum so that you can boost the immunity of the calf. Yeah. See you in another video as I manage this cow and see what happens. See if it has increased the milk production, because from that lactation, the cow, the graph shoots up. Yeah. Compared to with the other, with the first and second lactation, because this already grown cow, these are already grown mother. You see, it has already stand. Yeah, it has already stand because it has energy. Yeah, so it's supposed to be within an hour, it will be jumping up and down. So with proper steaming up, you can get good results like this and much more. So see you in another video. Thank you for watching.